Hello friends, welcome back to your new session. This is Raftar here, and today we are going to discuss about one of the India's first antiviral paint. This is Nerolac Excel Virus Guard for interior emulsion. So Nerolac recently because of this coronavirus pandemic, they had launched one product, that is Nerolac Excel Virus Guard for interior coatings and interior walls. So actually this product is a unique and momently friendly product and having antimicrobial paint. This is based on Psychotech Japan, because this kind of technology is Kansai use in Japan, because we know that Japan is focused more on quality products, and this product can kill bacteria 99.9%, and it would give you germs reduction. Then it's having a fabric textured finish as well. So this is a very eco-friendly and antimicrobial paint which imparts good hygiene and health properties by virtue of its outstanding germs resistance. The product is specially formulated using superior organic and inorganic hybrid polymers. Means in this product they use different kind of organic and inorganic hybrid polymers to develop this product. Those enhance the performance of the product. And this Nerolac Excel Virus Guard has a special ingredient compared to traditional based paint which sterilize virus and bacteria, that controls humidity and removes bad odor as well. So it is effective against non-enveloped virus like MS2 Bacteriophage virus, RNA virus of the family, and enveloped virus, Influenza A virus S3N2 A, and Hong Kong 868 ATCC VR-1679, when tested as per ISO 217-02 2019. So this is the standard against they had declared all the benefits and features of the product. So besides of this, it is effective against many types of bacteria such as E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus and Pseudomonas and aeruginosa, Salmonella, typhi, etc. So when tested as per JIS Z 2801 2010, means this against this standard they tested all these things. So additionally we can say it is an excellent air purifying ability for interior walls, and through CO2 absorption, and a very good air detoxification which improves the indoor air quality and would give you, and it will give you a hygiene environment for your children's and for you as well, and it will improve the air quality, and it imparts an exquisite fabric textures matte finish. So it will look like this, that finish will look matte finish, means something like we are those finish what we give you more gloss, means you can say those are having a very low gloss or scene level, you can say matte finish. So let's move for more information what this product have. So these are the performance and features and benefits of this product. So this product is a antivirus uh, properties, that having antivirus properties that reduces MS2 bacteriophage and different kind of other influenza A viruses as they enter effectively. And the second one is like it's having excellent air purifying through CO2 absorption. We know that CO2 is having a great contamination in air to make it pollutant, so it absorbs the air from the CO2 from the air, and it will give you it will purify the air. Then third one is a abates gaseous pollutants like SOx series and NOx, ammonia and all. Then next one is it will give you excellent odor reductions, means something the bad smell you are feeling inside the room and interior walls, so it will give you a best and excellent odor reduction as well. Then it's a totally non-flammable based on water based. Then it's having antibacterial properties. Effectively it can against 10 different bacteria strains that tested as this standard 2801 2010. So these are the bacteria which can be effectively neglect by this product. Then it's having very good humidity control as well, and means there won't be any impact on the product performance of the humidity. Then it's a very low VOC product we can use for our interior walls and anything whatever we are going to use in our interior home. So let's move on next. So what is the surface preparation we have to do before applying the product on the surface substrate? So first one, we have to ensure that the plastered surface it should be clean and dry, and it should be free from loose or poorly adhering materials, dirt and grease as well, because if dirt and grease kind of materials would be there on the surface, then you won't be get the proper adhesion, means there won't be any mechanical or link between the substrate and your coating, so that it will impact the adhesion. You can get you might get the adhesion failure over few days. Then second thing is apply a coat of Nerolac cement primer suitable for the niche solvent and water thinnable and allow it to dry. Means if there is a need, then we have to apply the Nerolac cement primer before applying this product or this kind of coatings, so that could be the solvent or water based. And after the drying, fully drying, we can apply this product. Then third one is a we can apply Nerolac wall cement putty like whenever required to label the any kind of imperfections and porous surface is there, porosity is there. And we can sand and sand the surface as well with the emery paper, so the paper number should be around 220, and wipe it and clean it, so that would give you imperfections and a smooth surface uh, that would give you a perfect film and adhesion on the substrate. Then fourth one is you can see we can apply another coat of primers. Primers generally would give you a different properties, like different chemical resistance and other it would give you alkali resistance, water resistance properties. So you after applying it should be the dry, and after sanding with the emery paper 320, you can wipe and clean with the cloth before painting this kind of product. So these kind of the things you can do before the applying of this kind of products on the walls or any kind of substrate where you are going to apply your product. Then third one is what is the areas applications and what are the limitations of for this product. So there are different kind of applications areas where we can use this kind of, or we can apply this kind of product. So this Excel guard is designed for application on the new as well as previously painted interior surfaces as well, such as like a plaster, brickwork, cement and renderings, then concrete and hardwood. So it is the different kind of substrate you can apply this kind of product without any negative impact, and really it would give you perfect smooth and matte and textured film. Then uh, so what are the applications? Means how much paint means how much water we have to add in how much paint to thin or maximize the spreadability of the product, so coverage of the product. So here is the applications methods had been given by the Nerolac. So in 1 liter paint you can add a 200 to 250 ml of clean water, and you can apply 2 to 3 coats with an interval like 4 to 6 hours by roller or spray or any brushes you can apply. But if the shades are dark, then you can it may require some additional coats for hiding as well. So these are the recommendations we have to follow according to the Nerolac specifications and all. So what is the technical data? So here's some technical data had been given by the Nerolac. So this is what would the because customer want to know these kind of things, this what is the flash point and what is the coverage of product. So coverage only if you want to apply 2 coats, then coverage you can consider 70 to 180 square feet per liter. And what is the BOC? Means BOC actually it's carbon. What is the BOC means something like that could impact on the environment, and BOC it's having less than 50, so you can easily use for interior walls and interior different kind of application areas. So this is really a eco-friendly product. Then what is the drying time for first coat, and when we can do recoat for the product on the substrate. So it's having a drying time around 27 degrees centigrade plus minus 2, it depend on the environment, uh, in relative humidity 60 something. And surface drying time it's having 30 minutes you can consider, and recoating time it's having 3 to 4 hours. So gloss levels generally it's having matte to fabric and textured finish, not glossy finish. Then you know during application you can thin 20 to 25% of volume of solvent or water you can add during thinning. And one more thing we have to know that what is the stability of thinned paint. Means once you thin the paint, then what it would be having the thinned ability. So it's having 24 hours thinned stability.